here somewhere in Rajasthan, and in the train station, and this man is taking a bath. But the only interesting picture here. Come close. Because I missed all the other good shots, as always. This is the public water pump, and he's having his little bath. No matter how poor you are, people always manage to find a place to wash themselves. Contrary to our hobos and hillbillies, homeless people in the West. I don't think I've ever seen them wash themselves somewhere, but then in Germany they don't really do it publicly, or in America for that matter. Now this man is nice and clean.
I'm just waiting with the family here to stay food. I'm waiting, maybe in another 1 hour.
This is some train station here, in the middle of nowhere.
Okay.
A little train station. Somewhere in Rajasthan. A nice old tree here. Pretty, no? Beautiful. I love these old big trees. Now this man is changing his shorts, so I'm not gonna film him because that would be rude. Who's reading the newspaper here? Oh my, it's Mr. Guleria. Surprise. Oh, Lord have mercy. This is the Hindustan Times entertainment section. With some hot Indian beauty for a change. Oh well, not a white beauty who they usually show in the Bastille. Getting more daring now. Aha, we were waiting for a train leaving the other track, so now we can actually head on to Jaipur. Excellent. Is that man finished with his bath now, or what? Is he decent now? What's happening there, little children? Not much else going on here in this neck of the wood, besides the train arriving. Now this man is actually washing his clothes after he bathed himself. Very poor man, very skinny man. They always wash their stuff on stones. Special brushes. I don't know what else he has there. Looks like a bucket of paint or something. And here come some village beauties. Covered, of course. They always cover their hair in the village. And they're always very careful not to lose their head scarf, which is part of the sari, of course. And this man is wearing a woolen blanket around him because it's rather chilly here at night. I mean, we had like 5 degrees this morning when we left the house. And considering that nobody here has heaters in the house, it's pretty cold inside, not to mention outside. Nothing else going on here, nothing else at all. Not even a name written here anywhere. I guess these ladies don't like this train, they have to wait for the next one. I wish I could go outside, but since we have a third person sitting next to us, I can't always step over him. Aha, we are moving. Bye-bye nowhere. Bye-bye tree, bye-bye washing man. And goodbye, village beauties. On the road again. Once more. We missed all the good stretch of Rajasthan with the hills and the different terrain. There's a pea stall here. Very good. What do we have here? Strange building. Can't see it against the sun. Of course, we are having a seat this time with a glaring sun against our windows, but that's okay. Aha, Bankri. We are in Bankri. Now we know it. We were in Bankri, and these are the little railway houses here. Nicely painted. That was Bankri. A little bit of wild terrain again. Ooh, way in the distance, you can see some hills. But the hills are actually some. What were the hills again? Yeah, some old.
Aravali.
Huh?
Aravali.
Aravali, and there's some old. What was that all about again? How did they?
Yeah, oldest mountains range.
Oldest mountain.
Himalayas.
Wow. Yeah. Oh, camel. See it? No, probably not. Yeah. Mobile phone camera only does so much. Especially out of the train window against the sun. What do you expect here, people? What are they growing here? Carrots? This is the dry sand of Rajasthan. Can't see the hill now anymore. This is a riverbed here, actually. Once upon a time there was a river flowing here, but not now. Rather dry. Sometimes it looks like northern Germany somewhere when you can't see the difference, but believe me, when you're here in the train, then you know the difference. Some goats.